Let's go for a ride. You are watching Psycho Cruises all on one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today.
You know, there's a misconception out there that if you buy a Super Sport, the only fun you can have on Super Sports is if you go fast. You know, they think otherwise. They say get a cruiser. You know, just get a cruiser if you're not going to go fast. Psycho Cruiser, why you go so slow? Look, man, let me tell you, you can have fun on a Super Sport going slow. You know, what's awesome about these bikes is the power to weight ratio on these bikes are awesome. So you can get that power blast right off the line. Unlike cruisers, which cruisers, most of them are slow as shit. Okay, off the line. Ah, shit, the gearing. These bikes, I could do 40 miles an hour on this bike. 0 to 40 and get that torque pull and rush off of it. That's awesome, man. You know, I don't have to do 180 miles an hour to have fun on the bike. You know, I don't even get that much pleasure riding at fast speeds on this bike. My fun is like from 100 and below. And I just love to hear the sound on these babies. And I tell you guys, I love the riding position on these bikes. I love being in the aggressive riding position, unlike some people that want to sit up like they're in an easy chair. See that? Get that pull, baby. And look, I'm only doing like 38, 39 miles an hour. You know? 0 to 100 in 5.5 seconds. You get that beautiful rush. You know, you don't have to do 180 miles an hour, man, to have fun on a Super Sport. Get those power surges. I love doing those power surges, man. And these bikes are just so light and flickable. It's like, bah! Gotta be careful out here in Cleveland, though. I'm in the inner city of Cleveland right now, and these, as you can see, these roads are pretty bad. So you gotta be real careful, because you can end up having a real fucked up day if you land in one of those ditches. This is my old neighborhood, by the way. On rare occasion, I like coming back to the old hood, see what's cracking. But yeah. So I love doing that shit, man. You can't do that on a cruiser. Those fuckers are just too heavy. Don't get me wrong, guys, you know I'm not a cruiser hater. I love all the bikes out there, but I'm just telling you, what gets my fancy is Super Sports. That's what pleases me, man. And I don't know, maybe I got a lot of testosterone running through me, man. I'm still pumped. Like I said, when I get on these bikes, man, it feels like I'm 18 years old all over again, baby. These bikes keep you feeling young. Feeling good, give you that energy, give you that testosterone. I know these people think I'm a douchebag, man. I'm just doing this shit for the video, by the way. I don't normally pull up the lights and rev the throttle. Not trying to show off. As you guys know, I normally stay out in the country. Let's get on here, man. I'll tell you one thing that's real fun to do is getting on the ramps, man. Ah, this fucker's in my way, man. Hear that engine, baby? Man, these bikes, see how quick it gets up to 80? Oh man, I just love that shit. Tell you guys, man, you know, you guys see a lot of my videos, you know, I do moto vlogs, you know, at slow rates of speed because I don't like the wind noise in my videos, and I like to focus on what I'm saying. But you know, off camera, it's completely different. Woo! The pull on this bike, man. Like I said, guys, you know, I'll be honest, you know, the 600 is awesome. But I tell you, this CBR 1000 double R takes it up a notch. It's that torque pull you get. It's awesome. But the 600 is still fun too. But hey guys, that's all I have for you in this video. Just saying, you can still have fun on a super sport without doing those high rates of speed. You know? You can cruise on, these bikes are your jack of all trades bikes. These are the bikes you can cruise on, do your Sunday cruises out in the country. Especially the CBRs. I don't know about the other bikes. These bikes are comfortable. Or you can get on the back roads and let loose. You know, or you can take it to the track and have fun, you know, hitting the track. Or you can take it to the twisties and have a blast. But it does so many things at such a low cost. You know, or would you rather have a $50,000 or $40,000 tricked up Harley, or would you rather have a $10,000 CBR 1000 double R? This got way more balls than any of those Harleys have. Love this bike, man. Woo! I don't know. That's just my preferences, guys. Get the bike that you like. That's all that matters, is your preferences. But for Psycho Cruiser, he's still got a lot of testosterone in his blood, you know, and he still gets a hard-on with these super sports. So hey guys, just get your ass out there and ride, have a good time and stay safe. So until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Deuces!
Welcome to Psycho Cruises Click to Go links. Just click on the pictures below to go to my recommended videos and my social media sites. Also, don't forget to visit my blog and store at psychocruiser.com. If you have any trouble clicking on these links, they are also provided in the info section of this video. Thank you and subscribe today. Check out my new channel where I talk about anything and everything, not just motorcycle related. Psycho Cruiser Motovlog.